Hi guys, welcome back again to another video. Welcome back to my vlog. How are you doing?
Welcome back to my channel.
Are you trying me? Evan, are you trying me? Do I look like your mate? Evan, are we mates? Evan, are we mates? Who is your mama? Who is your mama? Okay. Thank God you know that. I want to show you guys a storybook. Ça c'est quoi? Ça c'est quoi? Ça c'est McQueen. Flash McQueen. La parade des pompiers. What's the word pompier in English? Pompier is that's fire brigade. Parade of firefighter, not fire brigade.
Hey.
And this one,
le bal d'Halloween.
de quoi? Masha et Masha et Mika?
Non, Mishka.
Masha et Mishka, d'accord. Ali, pick them up. Let me start my vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you for showing them. Okay. Or do you want to say something else? Do you have anything else to say?
Je peux sortir deux. Sortir deux.
T'as quelque chose à dire?
J'ai dit sortir deux.
Sortir d'eau. Alright.
Oui, oui.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to another video. How are you doing today? By the way, you guys can already tell I'm in my son room. I want to walk here. I want to do something here. This is the only place I have a lot of space. So if you're new here, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. I really do appreciate it. She's Osito, okay, a Nigerian based in France. So guys, there's someone that is going to Nigeria. I want to give her like 10 to 15 kilo of stuff to give to my family. 15 kilo is not enough job, but I don't have money to send big bag because it's 10 euro per a kilo. Meaning if I carry 15 kilo will be 150 euros. So I want to give to those that I can give to. Not everybody, like my younger ones that don't have money to buy stuff for themselves. I have little brother that is not even, that is underage, like underage little brother. Yes, maybe 17 years, will be 17, yeah, 17 years, yeah, or 16, I can't really tell though. And I have my niece and nephews. Things that will be inside the bag will be for my niece and nephews, my younger brother. Although some of the big girls are asking for a wig, blazer. I know they wear blazer, so I don't get blazer. Yeah, so yeah, so guys, and also today is Wednesday. You guys saw my boy here. Like I said before in my vlog, they don't go to school on Wednesday, and tomorrow is holidays, no school. There's this thing they call le pont. Voila, there's this thing they call le pont in France. If the holiday fall on Thursday, they just be like, okay, let's just add Friday to it. This if we like holiday. Not all companies though. They'll be like, Thursday is holiday, so let's just take Friday. There's no need going to school on Friday and Saturday, no school. And also I will be traveling to the village on Friday. You guys will be watching this video tomorrow, which is Thursday. And let me just quickly say this. In that village, there might be no network. In fact, there is no network. There is network, but the network is not stable. So I don't know how it's gonna be. If you are just uploading on Thursday, you don't see me on your channel, just know that this girl don't go village. Okay, or maybe you're WhatsApping me, you're sending me message, Instagram and WhatsApp message. I did not reply. Just know that I don't go village. I'm gonna be showing you guys the kind of village, they have here. We'll be leaving on Friday morning, and hopefully I'll just be doing my intro, and it's 10 minutes.
Après on va partir au toboggan.
Ah, trop bien, Lolo, t'as de la chance. D'accord, super. Ok, bah moi je suis au travail. Allez, j'arrive après manger, là, d'accord?
D'accord.
Allez, Lolo, à tout à l'heure. Allez, moi. Ciao, Lolo. Ciao, ciao.
is for my mom. I want to send this thing to my mom. I want to send this thing to my mom. Wrappers, but not today. Okay, I think this one should go. I think this one. Evana, I think this one should go. Even this one too, but not today. This one should go. Very new clothes for kids and for kids. Wow.
But this might go away. Look at
yeah. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang, Gucci. Very beautiful, but I'm not a fan of something, you know. What do you guys call this? Tight. Something tight these days. I just want to be free. I want to be free. Now my phone.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause
I used to love this trouser, this little jeans on my boy. It was so cute, like very, very cute. I used to love it. Oh, I love this trouser. Sometimes I feel like wearing this trouser. It's so beautiful, guys. I love this tier here. But yeah, I already said it's for when I bought it, I said it's for my younger sister. So guys, this is the one I'm gonna be sending. Yeah, decided I'm gonna be sending with this luggage, not this one. There's no way I'm gonna send something and just, you know, ignore some people. So I've decided that I'm gonna like give everyone maybe one trouser. After all, it's for them. It's just that I said I'm gonna carry them when I'll be going to Nigeria, but I don't know when, and it's just becoming too much. And sometimes I just feel like I should throw everything away. So I'm gonna be giving my mom this one and this one. This one is Hollandese, and I'm gonna give my brother one trouser each, one trouser for the other one, and yeah. So guys, I'm gonna transfer everything into this bag right now, and I know everywhere is messy, pardon me. I'm gonna finish up when I come back, because I want to take my son to go see his doctor, because he has been coughing. This boy have been coughing for the past 2 months. Whew, I'm ready. I'm going like this. Sorry, I don't have any makeup on. I don't have the time. We're already late. Oh my god, 20 minutes.
Appuyez sur le bouton Appel. Appel en cours. Porte ouverte.
C'est bon, allez. Ouh, j'aime bien ici. Allez, bien. Bonjour. Ah, j'ai oublié. J'ai pas pris. Alors, on s'en sort pas. Bonjour. Tu veux manger quelque chose là? Bonjour. Est-ce que je peux avoir... C'est un poulet? Et ça c'est un quoi en fait? Oui. Oui. Tu veux pas le manger?
Ça.
C'est quoi? Le blanc là?
Bonjour.
Des tartelettes au citron. C'est au citron, Evan. Tu veux ça? C'est sûr? Tartelettes au citron, ouais. Non, ça fait. C'est bon. Look at that, it's so pretty. And here is my salad. Guys, I just got home and I bought something that we're going to be eating. I decided to just buy something that we're going to be eating this afternoon. I bought me salad and sandwich, and I bought my boy burger. Look at that, guys, so yummy. I'm not done with my bag. Very yummy. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna end this video here, but this is the bag I finally settled for. This is about 22 kilo. I want to say a very big thank you, and I appreciate every one of you. If you're in here, you watched this part, you have not subscribed. Wow, what are you waiting for? Uncle, auntie, what are you waiting for? Please join the family and turn on your bell notifications so you will not miss my future upload. Thank you guys so much. I will see you all in my next one.